Stop focusing on how stressed you are and remember how blessed you are. Set peace in your mind as your highest goal and organize your life about it. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Enjoy your life, it's the only one you have got. A little more kindness, a little less judgment. The trouble is you think you have time. Man cannot discover new oceans unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. Being positive doesn't mean you don't ever have negative thoughts. It just means you don't let those thoughts control your life. Feelings. No matter how good something looks, if it doesn't feel right, walk away. Time is not refundable. Use it with intention. The best part about your story is that the next page is blank and you get to write it. Don't expect to get what you give. Not everyone has a heart like you. Don't try to judge me by my current situation. You don't know what I am inside.